Question. Our question of the year was, what is the importance of bees? They pollinate 40% of our food, which we eat. They also make honey, which is a natural antibiotic. What is pollination? Pollination is when a bee is getting pollen and nectar. It transfers the pollen from the male part of the flower to the female part of the flower. The importance of bees. Bees are important for pollinating because the ecosystem would fall apart and we would have to start hand pollinating our fruits and vegetables. Native bees of Minnesota. The digger bee is not like a honeybee. They do not produce honey. They are solitary bees. Males are bigger than females. Bee is not like the honeybee. They do not produce honey. They are not aggressive. They are ground nesting and they are also solitary and social bees. The carrier bee is not like the honeybee. They do not produce honey. They nest in grassy areas. They live in the ground and they are solitary bees. Some other pollinators. Other pollinators are flies, beetles, moths, butterflies, ants, birds, and bats. Threats to pollinators. Habitat losses, less foraging, and less shelter for the bees. Changes in our land include extensive urban development and extensive farming. Culture is bad for bees because it doesn't provide enough time for the honeybees to collect their supplies that they need for the remainder of the year, while monoculture fields are essentially floral deserts. Pesticides are killing and poisoning the bees. There are about 6 pesticides found in honey. Advocacy. Couple things you can do to help the honeybees. You can protect swarms. You can plant bee-friendly flowers, such as sunflowers and lilies, and try not using pesticides. By Auni. Credits.